I just had to share this clip of Drew Seeley singing the start of something new in a way I've never heard before. We were filming him for his music video In This for Life, and we were doing a test run. I was showing him camera angles of what it's going to kind of look like. He was doing sound check at the same time. He decided to sing the start of something new just to see how he sounded on his mic. Drew is an insanely good singer. He is so phenomenal that there's nothing more real or raw than this clip. There's no audio processing, there's no drums, there's no keys, there's nothing. It's just Drew singing along to a bit of the FX track or something. It was so cool that I just had to share it. Enjoy. Drew Seeley singing Start of Something New for all of us Wildcats out there.
Are there any tracks to play, or you want me to just sing at the time? Sounds good.
Yeah.
We started something new. Thank you for coming in today and helping us with this today.